What's up, folks? In this video, I want to show you how you can replace your default Mac battery icon with a battery icon that looks like the one you have on your iPhone, which is much more compact. And if you're anything like me, you want to perhaps also use the percentage display. And in my opinion, the default Mac battery icon is borderline criminal, and it could be much more compact if the percentage would actually be inside of the battery and just in general look a bit more beautiful. And we already have that. We have that on our phones, and I was thinking, why not have it also on your MacBook? And so the tool we're going to use for this is called Juicy. And the way to find it is you can go to the landing page getjuicy.app and just click the Download Juicy for Mac button here. Or if you want to, you can also just simply go to the App Store, and then depending on the time of you browsing this, Juicy right now is actually being featured by Apple on the homepage here. So you can just click here and download the app. However, if you don't see it on the homepage, you can also just type in Juicy here, and then you might have to click See Mac App Results, and then you will see Juicy being displayed here, and you can download it. All right, I already have downloaded it, but let me quickly show you how it looks like once you have it installed. All right, now I have just installed Juicy, and all you need to do is just go through this 3-step onboarding process. I'm just going to click on Next here, and what you will see here is Juicy's second feature that will allow you to set custom battery alerts that look much more beautiful than your Mac native battery alerts. For example, we can have a battery alert at 3% with a glowing border, and it will look like this. And you can do the same thing for like 15%, have it come down from the top. You can play around with the settings, but we care about the battery icon right now. So we go on Next. And then in here, you can see in the middle section here, the appearance for the Mac battery icon. And we can go here and choose either minimal, which is the iPhone style, more compact battery icon, or we can go and choose the Juicy default one, which has a bit more color and it's just maybe a little bit more vibrant. And after we've done that, we just click here and finish, and that's basically it. Now, let me just enable this, and maybe just go here to the minimal one, because this is the one which looks like the iPhone. And there we go. Now, the problem you might have is that you're going to have two battery icons up here. And so we can easily just get rid of the default one by holding the keyboard shortcut Command, and then just, while holding the keyboard shortcut, dragging this one out until we see the X, and then just release. And there we go. That's how we can basically replace the default Mac battery icon with a much, much more compact one. Now, if you're installing Juicy for the first time and you do not see any of the Juicy icons at the top of your Mac menu bar app, this might happen because MacBook treats this space very carefully, so you might have too many icons up there already. So what you can do the same thing by just pressing Command and just dragging some of the icons you might not need and remove them this way. In case you have a lot of Mac menu bar apps, you can use one of the many available Mac menu bar management tools. There's one called Ice, which I personally really like and recommend. It's free and open source, and it allows you to prioritize which icons you want to see. You can simply go on Google, type in Ice menu bar app, and the first result here is typically going to be it. And it's totally free. You can download it, and then what Ice allows you to do is basically put Juicy up here and remove maybe some of the icons you don't want to see all of the time. And then you can just hover over here and then see all of your other Mac menu bar apps. So that's how you can get the iPhone battery style icon on your Mac app. Simply go to getjuicy.app and download the app and give it a try.